To our next story. Let's talk about nightmares, shall we? Not the spooky kind, but the kind that invades your servers. You know, the ones named n8n. No, I'm not kidding, that's the term they came up with. This no-code platform, my friends, got a maximum severity vulnerability. It's as if it was just born to get hijacked. The stats are in, and it's sure not looking too good for our n8n no-code wizards. According to some data security whiz kids at Cyra, we're looking at over 100,000 vulnerable n8n servers. This vulnerability granted unauthenticated remote attackers an all-access, backstage pass to its contents. But look at the bright side. At least this fine platform's versatility isn't restricted to visual workflows and AI integrations alone. It is a jack of all trades, master of none. If we go peeking into our Pandora's box, we'll find an interesting duo of parsers within the n8n realm. One, the special upload parser for the multi-part form data requests, and the other, the standard parser. And here comes the plot twist. When we throw the application JSON content at n8n instead of multi-part form data, it bypasses the special upload wizard. In short, we have a case of crucial metadata landing squarely in attackers' laps. So, for those of you that lost in that jargon jungle, Cyra has helpfully summarized that this means the attackers can expose secrets, inject sensitive files into workflows, forge session cookies to bypass authentication, and even execute commands at will. Could it get any worse, you ask? Well, always remember, n8n is also home to API keys, OAuth tokens, business data, and many other little treasures. Your average automation hub, really. Users aren't left entirely out in the cold, though. You're advised to update your system to n8n version 1.121.0 or a more recent one. While there are no official workarounds for this, restricting or disabling the publicly accessible endpoints could help. That's